What is happening? Happy Friday. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys this information. I'm actually just about to release the new training instead of the premium level for IPS. So even if you're part of IPS, it's amazing. Congratulations for getting started with the team. A lot of you guys are crushing it, and I'm super excited for you guys. Now, the training is how to make money with ClickBank and TikTok, and I did add a new bonus this morning, which is I show you how to make your first 1K with ClickBank using free strategies, how to choose your ClickBank products, because there's going to be a ton of them. So I show you how to um, focus on what specific niche you want to focus on and exactly how to find that targeted audience. Because once you find that targeted audience, it's game over. I think one of the most challenges that people have is not finding the right audience for whatever product or service they're promoting, right? They don't know how to get customers, they don't know how to get sales. So, in this training, I'm going to break down very specifically on how to find your very specific audience for whatever product or service that you decide to promote with ClickBank. So, I'm super excited for this. And I'm gonna tell you this from the very beginning. I genuinely believe that in 2023, if you're not creating an extra income from the comfort of your own home, it's not because it's not possible. It's not because the right training is not out there. It's simply because you're not willing to put in the work. Okay, period. Because this training is very, very specific, and there are tons of people that are willing to put in the work. They're making tens of thousands of dollars with just ClickBank using free strategies and what I teach inside of these videos. So just wanted to give you a quick update, go right to the point, get right straight to the point. So if you're part of IPS already and you're at the lower levels, you're and you have the ability to get access to this training to upgrade to the premium, not only are you going to get tons of value, which I'm just describing right now, but you're also going to position yourself to earn those unlimited $600 commissions, 300, 150, and the $50 commissions. So go ahead and get started. Click on the link below. Go ahead and upgrade. I'm saying with confidence because I know what you're going to get just over delivers of what you're investing, in your knowledge. So go ahead and get started. We also just added new ads to all the levels. So you're going to have all these different marketing ads that you can start using to promote the opportunity. So we just added this right here. You're going to be able to use them to start attracting that audience that is interested in learning on how to make money online with ClickBank and TikTok. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get in front of those people to get to position yourself to earn those instant $600 commissions. So get started with the team today. Click on the link below. If you have any questions in regards to upgrading, or if you're ready to get started, message me directly on Facebook. Or you can just get right to it, and then you'll get the welcome email giving you access to this specific training. Anyways, have a great weekend, and I'll see you at the top.